Compatible with Forerunner 910XT. Go from wrist to bike in seconds. Kit includes a quick-release bracket, a wrist strap, 2 bike mounts, 2 extra pins and 2 screwdrivers. Included components: screwdrivers. Top reviews from the United States. Great modification for my Garmin 910XT. I first learned about this from a man swimming in the lane next to me at the local pool. I was getting ready to purchase another Garmin device for my bike and was so excited to learn I could simply get this kit. I had been wearing the Garmin on my wrist when on the bike but really wanted it mounted, also ordered cadence kit. I read all of the reviews and so many said this kit would not keep my Garmin secure during open water swims. I was nervous but ordered it anyway. I have had no problems at all. I really believe the complaints were from people who did not snap the Garmin 910XT in before twisting to secure. It is tight and not going anywhere. I swam every day last week in the ocean and never once was I concerned. Very happy with this purchase.